It's Europe's biggest bank and one the region is keen to keep hold of, particularly after a 4% rise in first quarter pre-tax profit. HSBC's forecast beating results were thanks to a bounce back in investment banking. The bank's trading desks also benefited from a surge in market volatility this year. HSBC is set to make a decision on whether to move its headquarters back to Asia within months. A jump in Britain's bank levy has prompted it to consider moving. It will pay around $1.5 billion under the levy this year, about 7% of its expected pre-tax profits. But ETX Capital's Joe Rundle says it's partly an attempt by management to persuade the UK government to ease up on fines and levies.
I think part of it is political gamesmanship. I think they could revive the Midland Bank. We've seen it with TSB and the spin-off there from the Lloyds brand. But I do think HSBC as a whole would be powerful as a single brand.
HSBC's original home, Hong Kong, has seen its economy flourish over the last 18 years under a formula with China dubbed one country, two systems. But that model expires in 2047 and there's concern Beijing could impose greater control over the territory and make it harder for Western regulators.
It will cause tension because the regulatory environment is different there and the way of doing business is different. So you will get pressure, but regulators really are behind the curve generally and won't really be able to react to the changes quick enough.
HSBC's earnings were more modest than Swiss rival UBS's, though. It posted its highest quarterly profit in nearly 5 years. Net profit for the first 3 months of 2015 reached nearly $2 billion as the bank's wealth management sector bloomed. UBS is in advanced talks with the US to settle allegations of foreign exchange market rigging. Regulators have already fined 6 major banks, including UBS, a total of $4.3 billion for failing to stop traders from trying to manipulate the foreign exchange market.